Who's starting first? You want me to start first?
Yes.
Okay, well, hello. My name is Michael Stamets, and I am playing Matthew Clark Coleman. I'm married to Marcus. And I'll pass it off to you, Marcus.
So my real person is Paul Bertha, and I am playing the character of Marcus, who is the husband of Clark. And we get it on. I mean, we get along really well.
You're just about to say we get it on?
We
Cute.
Yeah. We do play.
Give us some Marvin Gaye.
We do play some Marvin Gaye, some sexual healing stuff like that. But,
Some share.
yeah. Thanks for having me. That's what he said.
Oh. Yes. All right. Rachel Berryman, that's my real name. I play Rhonda, and Rhonda is married to Dawn and is the mother of Archer. Dawn?
And I'm Rodney Sciba, and I am playing Don, who is the husband of Rhonda. We are a conservative couple living in Texas, and we
East
got an
Texas.
invite from our next door neighbors who happen to be gay. Now, there's anything wrong with that. And we're, and then hilarity ensues.
We came for our
This is our
grandbaby.
husband. This is our son. This is our husband. This is our son.
Okay. I am Brittany Gardner-Kennel. I am assistant/co-director next to Sarah Myers, who can't be here tonight, but she's awesome. We go way back, and she asked me to be a part of this and help her bring her vision to life. So I am honored to be a part of that.
I'm Archer Young. I play Ronnie. Those are my parents. This relationship's complicated. But yeah.
Hi. I'm Mimi, and I play Sophia. I'm their daughter, and I'm Ronnie's sex ed teacher. That's about it. That's all I do.
There's more that you do.
Right.
But you gotta come see the show to find out.
Yeah. Yeah. I do the show. Because I still don't even know what I do.